Time now for a check of your Valentine's Day forecast with Rochelle. It looks like we're just getting rained out, Rochelle, so a cozy night in with some movies. That sounds like a good time, right?
Yeah, sorry. My producer and I, we were just laughing at the 7 to 9 hours of sleep because that is just, whew. What a time that would be. Right now, yeah, definitely staying in. And if you are ordering delivery drivers, make sure you are staying safe out there on the roads. It is breezy, visibility is down, so we want everybody to get their meals and get back to their loved ones, their homes, their cats. If you don't have a loved one with you nearby, hey, whatever, we just want you to be safe out there. So here's the rain taking over pretty much the entire area. We have one small area around the Currituck Sound along the Currituck Outer Banks, south of Knott's Island, so Corolla, Water Lily, Maple, Barco areas dealing with moderate rain. Otherwise, it is a light rain out there, and this is why we're dealing with it. This front here has been stationed off of the coast for a little while now, and it's going to stay there. We're going to have another wave of low pressure moving through, and what that means is simply that we're going to have more rain on the way. So hopefully you order enough that maybe you can eat for the next couple of days, you know, meal prep, and that's what I like to call it. So you're seeing all this rain moving up to the north and east. That's going to eventually make its way into our locations. We even have a chance for some storms within the next 48 hours. So here's your rainfall since midnight. Not too much since things are really starting to kick up here. 1/4 of an inch in Ahoskie, 1/10 of an inch in Edenton, getting close to 1/10 of an inch in Norfolk, and a little over 1/10 of an inch in Virginia Beach. Visibility, as I mentioned, is down, so take it easy on the roadways. 2 hands on the wheel if you do need to head out this evening. 1.25 miles Virginia Beach, 2.5 miles in Melfa, 1.25 miles for West Point and in Williamsburg, and down to 3 miles in Wakefield, Newport News, and I think I already said Norfolk, but say it again. That was the look at Virginia Beach. This is from the top of the west, and you can see the lights of Town Center, but you can see that fog obviously obscuring it as well. So futurecast by 9 p.m. We're still dealing with the rain out there. A couple of pockets of some more moderate to heavy downpours. We're dealing with breezy winds out there as well through the rest of the evening into the overnight. Things do start to calm down early tomorrow morning. Temperatures, if they get close to freezing, we could see some black ice for some locations. As I mentioned, rain tapering, still breezy to windy out there. Tomorrow, 47 degrees, but that high is going to be late in the day, so your morning commute, low rain chance or some light rain, temperatures around 40 tomorrow morning. Isolated rain showers for the afternoon drive home. Taking a look at futurecast, here we are at noon, looking pretty quiet. Still the chance for maybe some light rain or drizzle out there. You're noticing it's still on the breezy side. 4 o'clock, couple of showers staying mainly on the light side of the spectrum. Same story for Monday by 8 o'clock, an isolated shower or 2. It's not until Tuesday that you're seeing behind me that we are starting to see some more of that heavy downpour move into the area, and some of those could be with some thunderstorms into Tuesday morning. Right now, not looking at a risk for severe weather, but just know that the chance on Tuesday is there. The rain on Tuesday, however, is going to be mainly early in the day before we start to dry out during the afternoon, and you're seeing that correctly. Close to 60 degrees across the area. So Adriana, I think that's what you've been looking for, a little dry weather, a little mild weather. By Wednesday, we're still going to be dry, but not as mild. Temperatures dropping down into the mid-40s, but then we warm things back up by the end of the week. Temperatures back close to 60 by Friday.